Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to deposit Interactive Brokers account with Revolut. Start by confirming your IBKR deposit currency and preferred route, local bank transfer or SWIFT. Next, match names exactly between Revolut and IBKR and add any required reference or account number provided by IBKR. Finally, monitor the transfer in Revolut and IBKR and contact support if funds do not arrive within the expected banking window. Choose Deposit Funds in your IBKR client portal and copy the receiving bank details precisely. In the Revolut app, create a bank transfer and paste the IBKR account number, SWIFT, and any payment reference without modification. Pick the correct currency to avoid unnecessary FX and opt for local rails if available for lower cost. After sending, save the transaction receipt and check both apps for status updates to confirm completion. If you're finding this walkthrough useful, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation. I recently loved the Simple Path to Wealth because it simplifies saving, investing, and building freedom, which pairs well with learning practical steps like funding your IBKR account. Check the description for the book link and other deals, and grab it if you want a friendly financial guide. Now let's get back to the video. If your transfer is delayed, first confirm the beneficiary name and payment reference match IBKR instructions exactly. Check whether Revolut applied an FX conversion and whether IBKR received the expected currency ledger, since mismatches can cause allocation delays. Keep screenshots of confirmations and reference numbers and escalate to Revolut or IBKR support if funds remain unallocated after the bank processing window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.